Good morning, everyone. And this is new poem in the chapter 3. The poem named Zoo Manners is written by Eileen Matthias. Okay, Zoo Manners. When we visit the zoo, we must follow some rules. So I think everyone knows that when we go for a zoo visit, every every people should follow some rules regarding how to watch the animals, how to behave to the animals, like that. So, first we can read the poem. Be careful what you say or do when you visit the animals at the zoo. Don't make fun of the camel's hump. He is very proud of his noble bump. Don't laugh too much at the chimpanzee. He thinks he is as wise as you or me, and the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. Treat them as well as they do you, and you will always be welcome at the zoo. So, when we visit the zoo, we should be very careful when we visiting at the animals in the zoo. So, by seeing the camel's hump, don't make fun at camel because he is very proud of his noble bump. Noble means great or impressive. So don't make fun by seeing the camel's hump because he is very proud of his great or impressive bump. Then next come the chimpanzee. So when we see chimpanzee, don't laugh too much because he thinks that he is as wise as us or as wise as you or me. He is think that he is too brilliant as we or as us. So next come penguins. So and the penguins strutting around the lake can understand remarks you make. So strutting means what? Walking proudly. Okay, walking proudly and confidently, thinking that oneself as important. So they walking confidently and proudly that they are important, and they are strutting. Okay, meaning of strutting is that walking proudly and confidently as they are important around the lake, can understand remarks you make, can understand the opinion or can understand what you say about them. So we need to treat them as well. Treat means behave equally or see equally as they do you. So as they are doing for we, they are seeing equally. The animals in the zoos are equally seeing us. They are treating very well to us. So as they are treating our well, we should also treat them well, and you will be always welcome at the zoo if they are treated like as they do. The zoo's animal will be welcomed always. Okay, so first of all, the camel's hump. Don't make a camel's hump because he is very proud of his noble bump. Then second one, don't laugh at chimpanzee because he think that he is wise as you or me. Third one, penguins. Penguins also, they are strutting around the lake, and they will understand what opinions are making by us. So treat them well as they do you, Then only they will always welcome you to the zoo. So that's all about this chapter, the zoo manners.